Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Synapse. On a weekly time frame chart, Synapse is still moving at the support of a very big falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this narrow channel that is formed on the daily time frame chart. And right now, Synapse is trying to break out the resistance of this channel. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Synapse that I shared a few days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Synapse. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Synapse that I shared with my members a few days ago on 17th of September 2023. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bat move that Synapse was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see it was about to enter the buying zone that was starting from 31.66 cents and goes to 31.1 cents. And therefore, I told my members that once it will be entered here, then as per the Fibonacci sequence of this move, we can expect another reversal from here. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped down, completed the leg here. Then we had a nice reversal and read the sell targets on here. And it was almost 8% pump. And by the way, I've also shared the link for my trading signal report for the current month of September 2023. And if you would like to check some other trading signals that I'm sharing on the daily basis, then you can also visit this report as well. Now, let me to take you to the live chart for Synapse. And first of all, I would like to show you this daily time frame chart. And you can see here on this daily time frame, it is moving inside a quite narrow down channel. Here we had a fake out, but found another support, a short-term support here at 28.5 cents. And after that, the price line has re-entered the same channel. And right now, you can see it is struggling to break out this resistance of the channel. And after the breakout, I'm expecting that we can expect another rejection by this resistance that recently Synapse has found at 35 cents. And you can see for the past several days, it is breaking other resistance. Like here we got rejected for almost 4 days, and here we got rejected once again. Therefore, it can be a point of rejection after breaking out this channel. Once the Synapse will be able to break out. And if we switch to the smaller time frame on the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see here at 28.5 cents, we have a very nice support. You can see we had a bounce here, and we have several touch points here, and finally we had another bounce. Therefore, I'm expecting that this time it will not break down this support and we can break out the resistance of the channel. Once the price line will be able to break out the resistance of the channel, then the final target for this breakout from this down channel can be here. That is a technical target for this breakout. That is approximately at 81 cents or 82 cents. And if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that Synapse is moving inside a very, very big falling wedge pattern. You can see we have a rejection here, we had rejection here, we had another, and this was, by the way, last rejection here in the month of July 2023. And we have 3 touch points here, one more bounce here, and recently you can see that the price line is about to take another bounce from this support of the falling wedge pattern, and the resistance of the wedge will be approximately at 58 cents. And if the price line breaks out this channel, then there will be a very high probability that the price line may also break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well, because the target for this channel is approximately at 82 or 81 cents. And once the price line will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, then the final target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $4.80 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.